This is an airdrop you should not fade. Don't fade this airdrop. Now, I bring you news and updates on the Blessed Network for those who have been farming. If you are just to join the airdrop farming phase, I'll leave a link to my Telegram channel. Do well to find a link to join the Blessed Network airdrop in my Telegram channel. All right. I also do want to leave the link to join this Blessed Network airdrop in the description of this video. All right, so let's get started to why I am doing this video. There is an update you need to apply on your Blessed Network dashboard. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that. But meanwhile, this is the Blessed Network homepage. All right, so you can see it says the world first shared computer. The world first shared computer is a global network powered by everyday devices from MacBooks to desktop and everything in between. Instead of Amazon, Google, and Microsoft reaping the rewards of the internet we have built, you can instead. Here's how to get involved in our testnet and take back control of the internet we love and use every day. Now, I have done a video in this channel before on how to join the Blessed Network airdrop. All right. So the first thing you need to do is just to install an extension, and then you have to share your idle computer resources, and then be given you'll be able to accrue time. Blessed tallies up all the minutes, the hours, and days of uptime you have contributed to their global shared computer. Now, so the reason why I am doing this video, the update I said I wanted to share with you in this video. Now, simply go to your extensions tab on your favorite browser, which you are using to mine the Blessed Network airdrop. All right. If it is KIWI, if it is Brave, if it is Microsoft Edge, if it is Mises browser, if it is Chrome, or whatever browser you are using to mine this airdrop. All right. So go to that browser and load up the extension. So I'm going to go to my extension list and click on Bless. And once it loads up, you can see my dashboard. I have 2 hours of uptime today. I'll just come here and click on these three icons at the top and then go to my dashboard. So basically just go to your dashboard for the Blessed Network airdrop. All right. Once you are there, like it's going to load now, I'll just go to the achievement tabs. The achievement tabs is where we want to implement the updates on the Blessed Network airdrop. All right. So nothing here, nothing new for you to see here. This is my accrued time so far, so good, 80 days. All right. So this is my node that is running, and then I'll come to the achievement tabs. But meanwhile, before you do this, all right, you can see I have the Blessed user bonus points. This is what I do because when you join the network through someone's link, you get this 10% boost. All right, blessed with an invite by another community member. So you always need and you must need someone's invite code to join the Blessed Network airdrop. So do well to use the link in the description of this video to join this airdrop if you are yet to start farming this airdrop. All right, now you get this, and then you have an opportunity to get this other 5% boost and another 5% boost when you connect your Twitter and connect your Discord accounts. All right, so I have connected my Discord account. Just before you do this, do well to connect or log into your Twitter account in the tab or in one of the tabs on the browser you are using to farm this airdrop. And then also do well to log in into your Discord account in one of the tabs of the browser you are using to do this to make it easier for you. All right. So I'll come back to my Bless dashboard, and if I click on connect Twitter here, it will take me to the Twitter page where I'll have to authorize the app to join my Twitter account to the Blessed Network and then earn the 5% bonus points. Once that loads up, I'll show you what to do. But meanwhile, please do well to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification icon so you get to know or be the first to know when I upload content that is as insightful and useful as this one. So I'll just click on the authorized app here and see if I get any error message. Now, I think when I did this earlier, it told me that I needed to be among the first 100 persons to join in the last 15 minutes. So I think that is an error message you might get. So once you get that message, you have to wait for another 15 minutes and then try again. However, the Discord connection went just once. All right. So just the same way you click a button here, you'll find a button here on your Discord Connect and just connect your Discord to the Blessed Network dashboard. All right. So that is how to do that for that. And then you can see I have 15% boost here. This 10 plus the 5 for Discord gives me 15. If I had done this Twitter Connect, I would have gotten 20. Now, this total boost helps you to boost the accrued time for your mining account. All right, so you can see I have 1080 days here. I think by the end of today, because I have just added 5% boost on this Discord account addition, I would probably get a higher chance of earning more accrued time overall. All right, so that is that for this video, guys. Please do want to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not done that yet, and do want to share this content if you find it useful with your friends. All right, now please, I have done a video before on how to join the Blaze Network airdrop. You want to find a link somewhere around this video right now at the top, maybe here or there. All right, so that is that, guys. Like I said, keep mining this airdrops. This is not just an airdrop you should feed. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.